As our cauliflower was getting roasted, I cut our celery to small pieces just like this. Red onion also chopped, and our parsley and dill also chopped. Therefore now I'm gonna put all of those ingredients and add it mixed. And some of the dried cranberry. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Reza, a former scientist in area of the nutrition and skeletal research, and during the last 7 years I worked in pharma industry. In this video I'm going to share one of the things which is food which I start to implemented the last few years, and it has improved my health and well-being significantly. Today the food I'm going to show you how I make it is actually a salad, which you can use it as a light food or you can have with the side, which mainly I add some protein. Anyhow, I hope you enjoy watching this video, and we try to cook or prepare that salad. It's very simple, very nutritious, and then without any more delay, let's get started. Ingredient we need for this salad, let's start with the spices. We need cumin seed, grinded black pepper, salt, and that's it. For vegetable, which one we need is cauliflower, dill, parsley, kale, and celery. We need butter bean and chickpeas, 1 red onion, whole grain Freekeh, which is different type of the wheat which in Middle East mainly they use it, and flake almond. And for dressing I use olive oil, lime, and garlic. The first thing we're gonna do, we use half a cup for this salad, which 4 people easily they can have. This is half a cup, and boil it for 20 minutes, and then I'll show you what is we do next. Okay, our Freekeh is boiling currently. In next 20 minutes it's going to be ready. The same time I'm going to start to steam our kale, and I just for 4 people I took 3 sticks of the celery. I'm going to cut them to small pieces. Also with our cauliflower, I'm going to just make them a thin slice, and I'm going to roast them with our spices, which is coriander and black pepper, and with olive oil, and I'm going to put it on the grill to be basically roasted. Then let's get started to next step. Freekeh, it's almost ready in 10 minutes, and kale start to steaming them here, and usually it takes 10 minutes or 5-10 minutes, depends. But I keep looking at it. I don't want to overcook it, but since they get soft, that's enough. And I'm gonna start to cutting our cauliflower. Right, I cut the cauliflower to thin, just like under 1 centimeter thickness. And now I'm gonna add the spices, couple of spoon of cumin, maybe 3. 2 teaspoons of the black pepper, and then olive oil, and then I mix it together, and I add salt as well. Salt you can add as much you like. For this slot maybe I add 2 teaspoons, and a fair bit of oil, Mix them. Oh. I'll put the cauliflower in tray and I'm gonna put it in air fryer to roast it. I'm gonna use I think change the time to I think 3-4 minutes should do it at 200 degrees. This is 4 minutes, still not roasted. Maybe I add another 3 minutes to it. Cauliflower was actually roasting about 80 minutes and now they're looking good. Therefore I'm going to transfer it in the bowl with other ingredients. The freekeh is cooked and it's drained. Now I'm going to drain those butter bean cans as well. And chickpeas. And then add them to here when we're gonna assemble our salad together. We mix it with the rest. Our kale is ready. They're nice and soft. It's time to take them out. Freekeh and just mix them up. Then I'll make a dressing and just again mix them together. For freekeh and those one mix it together a bit. Then I add our celery. And then I'll add our kale. Just mix them together. Onion, red chopped onion, and our dill and parsley. And mix them together. Now I'm gonna start to making the dressing I add to it. For the dressing I'm gonna add some garlic. 2 cloves should be enough. One nice, this is lime actually. And the same volume, we're gonna add some olive oil. Which is about the same. And a pinch of the grinded cumin as well. close the lid, shake. And add it mixed. Again, mix it together. And this stage, I'm gonna put it in another plate and just add some dried cranberry and roasted almond in top. Garnishing the salad, I'm gonna have some almond flake, which for just 2 minutes, I'm gonna just put it to be roasted, and then we're just dressing our salad, and the salad's gonna be ready. Turn this up, have a quick look. Yes, beautiful, nicely roasted almond flake. We're gonna add it in top of our salad now. Let's go in. All right, now I add some of that's toasted almond flake and some of the dried cranberry, and just add a bit more. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. That really helps I get more motivation to produce more video at that kind. I think that's enough. If someone likes a bit more, they can add more, but I don't want to overdo it. Let's put it in some plate and try it to see how that tastes. Alright, the toughest time is actually testing what you made. But we made this one. I know it should be very good, but I'm gonna keep trying it. This salad is so refreshing. They have beautiful texture, a lot of ingredient, a lot of aroma. It's really, I highly recommend you should try it and enjoy it with your family and friend. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumb up, share it with your family and friend. Until next week, I want to wish you all the best. Keep active, eat healthy, and be curious. Bye for now.